Hey guys, Carter here with BDS Suspension. Right now we're in Daytona Beach, Florida. We're here at Jeep Beach. There is so much action going on between the sand, the beach, all this stuff going on. We got the Speedway, we got tons of action, we got Project KJ. Let's check all it out right now. There's so much action going on here for Jeep Beach. Now early in the week we're hanging out on the beach, catching some rays, enjoying an awesome time on the beach with everyone else. Now we're here at the Speedway. There's so much going on. We got race cars going around the track. We got here in the Fox Factory compound, we got tons of vehicles on display. And all around here we got an obstacle course. We got so much action going on. Let's check it all out.